Okay, you got the flashes on right now, right? Okay, step on the brake. Okay, you come over here. You see that one ain't working. Now turn on the flashers. Got them on? Okay. So what the issue is we're finna get ready and change out the plug on this left. What's it, left? Yeah, left. This left turn signal. You can turn the car off now. Okay. Let me stop it here. All right, we're back. So what we're gonna do? We determined that the plug was bad. Because when you wiggle it, it'll work when you wiggle it. So we'll go ahead and take it off. And okay. It also, I think it messed this one up too. So. We might get some police action here. Oh, maybe she coming to get her stuff.
Oh, they gotta get an escort. That was her?
Well, the lady was driving. She driving the car. Oh, we got a domestic violence thing on her. So if any action happen, I'll it'll be part of the footage, you know. So what I'm gonna do. Like that. It must be pretty heated. Yeah, that domestic violence stuff is no joke, man. Okay, we're using the Irwin wire strippers here. Get a nice even. Okay. Okay. Now, when I was, like Dre said, he said they always be arguing and stuff, man.
Oh, yeah.
Because he lived across the street from him, so he would know. So I guess it's a toxic relationship. So this is gonna be pretty easy. All you gotta do is just match up the wires to the. So you finna go ahead and cut off the old. Let's hope this plug is some good too. Okay, so we're just gonna let's make sure all the wires. Let's see. Make sure all the wires work. All the wires match up. So. Okay, so this will go with that one. Go with that one, and we got. Okay, let's see.
The light green one go with the red one.
Now they all match up. Let's see. This will go with this one here, and we got a green one. What's this one? Okay, and dark green, and let's see. We got dark green, and we got a pink. Let's see. Okay. 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 So, okay. I got them in. Okay. So this is, okay. So this one will go with this one here.
The light green.
We'll go with pink. Yeah. And this.
And guess match up.
Yeah. This will go with this one. And okay. So the only difference is this one got a white and pink. This one got a light green. So. I don't know my nose running all of a sudden. Okay. I don't know why my nose wouldn't be running all of a sudden.
You got no jacket on.
I was getting kind of hot with the sweatshirt on. Okay. So the junkyard, they charge you $25 for the light. Okay. Okay. And good thing you did snatch off the plug too, so that's because that'd be like $15-20 at the auto parts store.
plug.
Yep.
Maybe if I would have took the plug off and put it in my pocket, he would have charged me less than that.
Well, he wasn't paying attention to the plug, so. Alrighty. Yeah, the relationship must have totally broke down.
Yeah, he was keeping her in that house hostage.
Oh, really? Yeah, she is a nice looking lady though.
He probably been all in her messages on Facebook and shit, cause I know hella motherfucker flirt with her.
He's trying to keep it all
Yeah,
to
he's
himself.
jealous and shit.
The jealous type, yeah, that can be kind of dangerous though. That's one of.
You don't give her time to cheat unless she playing hooky from work. Shit. She can't even speak to the neighbors and shit.
She rarely come out of the house.
Yeah. It must be his crib.
It was his family on the property.
His family.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go with her family somewhere then.
Okay, so let me look.
Pulled up over there, her family.
Yeah, it got pretty heated for them. Okay, so
Tell her to get up out of there. She getting up out that situation.
yeah, so
She be gone for about 2 weeks. She'll be back.
okay,
Her first time at the apartment being police.
okay,
I can tell.
okay. So so light green is going to go. It's going to go to pink. Oh, that's my heat shrink. Okay. Do it like that.
But you said he from Florida anyway, didn't you?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see how to put a heat shrink it. Throw Amazon heat shrink gun.
Just like that.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta freeze it in there.
No, this ain't that kind. He'll be alone. Think it. And where's the? Okay, so we had so it was light green. So dark green. Yeah, must have been got pretty heated though for the. Oh shoot. Yeah.
She probably the happiest she has been in her whole life right now.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we didn't have a hostage situation. That would have made a good video, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Hostage situation mixed in with a tail light plug repair. Neighbor shoot it out with the police over his wife, and then he do a murder suicide. Yeah, that'd be a real good video, wouldn't it?
Add to my collection.
Yeah.
The dude asked me for a quarter in the soda though. I ain't have no quarter. I gave him $1 bill. That's gonna give you change. You try to walk out the store like, all right, man, like, Dad, what my change? If you asked me for a quarter, I gave you $1. You think you can give me change back? He called himself damn me getting mad, so he went in his pocket and grabbed the change in his pocket. Like, here, just take it. And you gave me more than $1 worth of change. You begging for nothing. You just was begging just to be begging and thought you was finna hit you a little lick.
Okay.
You didn't even need my quarter.
Okay. Okay, let me get over here. Now let's hope this plug is some good.
Oh damn, I got all that on the video, though.
What's that?
Me calling somebody a ninja.
Okay, well, it's too late now, so anyway. It's too late now, so. So we just make some more exciting.
What are them things you putting on there?
It's heat shrink. So just be careful. I don't know how tight they are on there, because just be careful how you tug on it. Okay. All right, one more. Yeah, this is I got this from Harbor Freight. Here, Harbor Freight. That's the, where's the item number at on it? Item number, right there. Item number, Harbor Freight. It's good to have little supplies like this. Now let's see.
Might need to get you a couple of these little kits, huh?
I think I got another one. Well, that one's almost full. So, and I got some I got from Amazon too. But we're finna find out if this works. You know. I didn't feel like pulling out the big bulky crimping gun and all that stuff. You know. So. Okay. And also this gun is from, I got this gun from Amazon. It was 18 bucks. You're right about our neighbor though. He got that little money. Yeah, he's right. I don't feel nothing for him, man. Okay. Okay, now which one is the new one?
New what?
The new, is it this one or that one?
This one, because that one got tape on it.
Okay, and where is the other bulb at?
Try this one.
Okay, yeah, you already got a bulb in there. All right, let's see what happens. I slobbered on myself. Okay, go ahead and okay, it works. Okay, oh, put it in reverse and let's see what happens. Let's see if the reverse light come on. Okay, step on the brake. Turn off the flasher. Turn the flasher off. Just step on the brake. Okay, so that's what it was. Plug replacement, but also included in this video with some neighborhood gossip. Okay, there you go. And you got that tape. You got some more of that tape. I don't see why you didn't get none of the clips though.
I wasn't thinking.
I guess you could say them other bulbs though. Let's see. Yeah, this was. Yeah, it burned this one out, so. Yeah, that was good if you took the plug and the light. I think I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna put some more some liquid tape on there. We'll seal them ends off. Stop it right here. We're using some of this liquid tape on there because the heat shrink I think is a little too big for these wires. So just a little extra sealant. Can't hurt. Especially this one. This one didn't get too that good. So. Okay. Okay, yeah, I won't forget him though. I ain't gonna forget him though. Yeah, so okay. That's how we put a little liquid tape on there to extra sealing. Just be careful how you tug on those. Normally they're pretty structurally strong. Okay. Kind of tuck it in there like that. Kind of tuck it in there. And everything's working. And so there we go. That's how you replace the plug on a brake light plug. Oh, that's the show them that tape there. You got that from the post office, didn't you?
Yep.
Well, how much that cost you?
Shit, about $5.
Okay, you got post office. That's why it stuck so good. It wasn't regular, just regular tape though. Okay, so there you go.